Okay, so now we have finally finished our homepage, and I've also done some work off camera. Now, as you can see, for flowers where we don't have any images defined, I'm just using a default image that I have in my file system. Otherwise, I'm generating a picture, a small thumbnail from the original picture that was in the gallery. And let me show this quickly, and then I will also show you how you can update components in Symphony, extensions actually. So as you can see, this is our flower preview partial, and here I'm matching on the entry. And now this part over here is actually interesting. So you can also test if a certain node exists. So we're currently in the entry and we are checking if the gallery exists. So if gallery exists, that means that we have an image. And then I want to apply the template to gallery/file, but only the first one, and I can select the first node by using square braces and then typing 1 in here. And you can see this is my little template that outputs image, actually the thumbnail of a certain image by using the JIT image manipulation. And otherwise I'm just going to use default image preview PNG that I have in my theme folder. So under resources, image, and default image preview. Okay, so updates. As you can see, this came just in the right time. We have an extensions that requires updating, so we can just view extensions. And here we will see that JIT actually has some updates, and we have an update available from version 2.0 to 2.02, and we can just select it and click update, and then Symphony will update automatically and everything should work fine, hopefully, unless they've changed something in the API. Hopefully not, because the major version was not updated. Okay, so images are still generating, and I would recommend that you do backup before updating any extensions. You can also update extensions manually simply by overwriting the files in the extensions folder with new files, and I think you can also disable and enable extension, or possibly maybe you'll have to uninstall and install extension again in case it generates some stuff in the database. Okay, so let's also just quickly create some pages for our flowers, transactions, and contacts. So I'm just going to do this quickly, and then in the next video we'll start working on the flowers page, where we will list all the flowers that we have. So I've created several pages now, and if we take a look at it in our project, not in the theme folder, but in the main pages folder, you can see that we have also created some XML here as well. And I've created the 404 page, so now that if we go to some unexisting path, like so, we will get text from the 404 page instead of just some Symphony default message. So we can customize our 404 page now. And yeah, the way Symphony recognizes that this page is actually a 404 page is not by the name. I could have named this any way I liked. It is by the 404 page type. So you can for example use this page for 404 and 403 errors as well. Okay, so I'll just go back to the pages, and let me tell you a little bit about page parameters. So for example, I have page flowers, and you can see that I have created a parameter called page in here. And this is because we will have to, we don't want to list all of our flowers in one page. We want to have some pagination, and with page parameter we will define what page number we are currently at. So let's just go to the, actually I can click it over here on the flowers, and if for example type 1, this will be a valid path. Now if I try to add something else, then I will go to the 404 page because there is no such path. If I for example go to flowers and define another parameter that I want to save, for example param2, save changes, now I should get back to my flower pages like so. And let's debug this so that we can see what is happening. And as you can see in the params over here, we get our page parameter, which is over here in the URL, and it's nicely captured, so we get 1, and we also get the param2 that we have defined and its value over here. So this is a really nice thing, and you can use it in your data sources for filtering, but in data sources we are using the params, so these two things are also generated under the params as a nice variable, as you can see right there. Okay, so in the next video we'll start working on our flowers pages, and then we will take a look at pagination.